Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start a dropshipping business step by step. I'm going to go in great detail and give you the complete breakdown of what you need to know. So watch the complete video to understand how you can start dropshipping right now. And if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days because seeing is believing. Now, there are a lot of individuals that are doing dropshipping right now, but they're making some basic mistakes, and those mistakes I'm going to highlight in this video. The first mistake is that they do not do any research. Any successful business needs to do research, and obviously you have to look at what is happening in the industry. You have to look at what is happening on TikTok. You have to look at what's happening on Facebook, on Instagram, and the more research that you do into the product that you're selecting, the more chances are the product is going to be successful, because there are a lot of different niches that are available and there is a lot of different target audience that are available. So if you're selecting a product but targeting an audience that the product is not for, is not going to be successful. For example, if you look at a fidget spinner, but you target an audience for someone between 30 to 40, it's not going to work. You're going to target the fidget spinner for someone that is actually in that age range, and then the product is going to be successful. So always make sure that the product and the age range that you're targeting it for matches. So when we look at TikTok, we're going to look at products that are selling, products that people are looking at, products that people are interested in. And obviously the best way to look at something is going to be a product that has potential, product that can work in multiple areas, a product that is an actual need. For example, it could be an Amazon product, it could be child needs, it could be something an adult needs, or something that a female would need. So you got to make sure that you select a product that there is an actual need for in the market. After you have done your research, after you have gone through TikTok and the social media, selecting a product is crucial. And once that is done, you have to head over to another website called ppadscom. And this is a very interesting website, and I highly recommend anyone that wants to get into the dropshipping business to look at this particular website, because this gives you a complete breakdown of the ad impressions, the days that has been on, the popularity of a particular product. For example, this product over here has 265,000 ad impressions. It's on for 2 days and has a popularity of 830. If you look at product over here, this product has 46,300 ad impressions for 2 days and 131 popularity. So obviously, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different products that are being looked at and people are interested in. The other thing that you have to keep in mind, you have to look at the country that they are coming from. So for example, this is from Canada, this is from Thailand, this is from the US, and this is from Indonesia. Now, this is where the target comes in, guys, because you need to understand that we're living in a global village and everyone from all around the world has access to the internet. And the mistake people do is that they look at a particular product and start targeting it in a different country. Now, that particular product might not be a hot seller in a particular country, but would actually sell very nicely in a different country. So you got to make sure that the audience that you're targeting, the product that you're targeting, the age range that you're targeting, and the country that you're targeting needs to match. Once you align all these factors together, you would be able to create products for particular countries and then target those particular countries that you align every single element in the proper way. Once the alignment is done, then you can target the product and make it a hotcake for individuals, because people would be interested in. The other tip that I'm going to give you, which is crucial for you to understand right now, is that you got to make sure that you select a product that people are already talking about. So you don't have to spend so much money on advertising and promotion, because that product already is being promoted by a lot of individuals. Once that is done, you got to head over to a website which is crucial, and this is called AliExpress, because AliExpress gets you the best prices available in the market. So you select a product, you've done your research, you've looked at the product, you understand the marketing side of it, and once all of that is completed, you're going to select that particular product that's going to be available on AliExpress. So let's head over and select a particular product. Now, this particular product over here is very interesting, and this is something that everyone is talking about and has a huge potential. Now, this is a product that is for 0.01 cent. And obviously, this is a Type-C port with a 60-volt upgrade. And if you scroll down, the thing I want to show you right now, which is crucial, is the fact that 14,546 individuals have bought this product. It has a review of 1,603 individuals. So you can clearly see that this is a product that everyone wants and everyone wants to get. And obviously, once you actually get the product off AliExpress for 0.01, which is being retailed right now on AliExpress for $7.22, you can easily sell this product for $10, $15, and sometimes even $19.99 up to $20 and make a massive profit on it. The three things that you need to consider once you're on AliExpress is the fact the first one obviously is the price, because the profit comes in the profit margin. So the price that you buy it in needs to be very low, and the price that you sell it in needs to be the highest. And obviously, you need to check out what the product is actually retailing for and accordingly set your price. The second thing you have to keep in mind is you have to check the amount of orders people have done and the amount of reviews that are available. And obviously, based on that, you can see that the product is actually a quality product or not. And once that is done, all you need to do is get the information off AliExpress. The pictures are there, the description is there, and if you scroll down, it's got all the information. All you need to do is take this information from here and put it on your Shopify account. If you do not have a Shopify account, guys, right now, go in the description and click on the link and get it for 90 days, because this will literally change the way that you live. You will finally be able to get the financial freedom that you have always been dreaming about. And obviously, this is the best way to do it. So once you have done all of these things, you've selected your product, you've done your research, you've bought your product, you understand where it's coming from, then you head over to Shopify.com. Now, Shopify.com is where you can dream and make it a reality, and you can start selling with Shopify. All you need to do is one simple step. You have to click start free trial. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to the next page. On this page, it is very simple, guys. You got to check out what best describes you. Are you just starting out, or you're already selling online or in person? So we're going to say we're just starting out right now because we want to get the full benefit of Shopify. The next question that they ask, which is very crucial, is where would you like to sell? You want to start an online store, you want to sell on social media, in person, if you have an existing website or blog, or you want to sell in online marketplaces. If you're not sure, that's perfectly fine as well, but we're going to go with an online store where we can create a fully customizable website. Once that is done, then you need to select the store name. Now, this is very important, guys, because the name is everything. If you select the name that people don't connect to, people don't understand, you will not sell your product. If your product is being sold as an electronic goods and you're selling it something like an apparel name, it's not going to work. So your products that you're selling on your Shopify account and the name that you select needs to match. So make sure that you understand the name that you select needs to be excellent, needs to have a sitting with your audience, needs to be grabbing their attention whenever they look at it, and they need to know that this name means quality. So after you've selected a name, you can actually go hit next. And the last step is that you have to select before you start how you want to sign in with your email, with your Apple account, with your Facebook, or with your Google. We're going to select one method of signing it and then you're done. Now, this is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, which is crucial for you to understand your marketing and your online store. Now, obviously, the thing that you have to consider is what your online store is going to look like. There's a lot of themes that are available that you can easily use on Shopify. And based on those themes, you can select and make amazing landing pages. And this is what your landing page should look like. Now, obviously, this is built on Shopify and this is a landing page on Shopify. You got to make sure that the color coordinations, the aesthetic sense of the website meets the requirement. It speaks quality, it screams quality, and actually is talking about quality at the end of the day. And when you bring something of this standard, this quality to your customers, you can guarantee that people would understand that this is a product worth buying. It's very simple, guys. It's very straightforward. All you need to do is understand the steps. And if you don't understand the steps, I would highly suggest that you go over and watch this video again, because I've given you all that you need to start your dropshipping account immediately and start getting the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. So do let me know what you think of the video in the comment section below. And if you've not got an account, click on the description and on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to start your dropshipping business immediately. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.